kids. Hi. Guess what, kiddos? Today we are going to continue learning about plants, okay? We are going to learn how to label a plant and how to label a tree. The parts of a tree and the parts of a plant, okay, kids? Also, you are going to learn how to make a 3D plant. Look, this is a 3D plant. Look over here, kiddos. This is a 3D plant, and this is a 3D tree. Isn't that cool, guys? So we are going to learn how to make this. Okay, kids? I am going to show you. For the background, you can use any color you want. Okay, you can use brown, you can use red, you can use orange, you can use yellow, like greenish, you can use blue. I use blue. Okay, also you will need a highlighter. You know, this one is a dry marker, and you will also need a highlighter, a dark color highlighter, or you can use a dry marker, whatever you want, because you need to label the parts of your plant. Okay, kids? Now you're going to use one of these color, any color you want. Let's use this time this green. Why? Because it's okay, I guess. Okay, you will need this type of paper, guys, for your flowers. See, this paper. I will show you the paper. You can, this paper, I don't know how they call this. I think it's a bleeding paper, they call it, because if you get it wet, it will show the color. So you can use any color you want for your flower. It doesn't have to be red like mine. Okay, kids? You can use red, you can use a blue flower, you can use a purple flower. Let's make a orange flower, okay? So what you're going to need is a piece of paper this size. Guys, if you don't have this kind of paper, you can use this paper, kids. You can use paper like this, okay? This type of paper, soft paper, okay, kids? See, the paper for the background is harder paper, okay, kids? But you can use any of this softer paper, okay? Like the paper that we use to print our work, okay? To get handouts. Then I am going to show you, we're going to make a flower with this, okay, kids? So how do you do this flower? Just wrap it around two fingers, see? 2 fingers. Right, once, put another finger on top and wrap it again, okay, kids? See? Then what you're going to do is you're going to put your finger in here and you're going to grab it, that other end, okay, kids? So once you get it out like that, you are going to go fold it, and fold it again. Like this, okay, kids? You can staple this part if you want, or you can put some tape. Mine, I'm gonna put some tape because that's what I have handy right now. I'm gonna put some tape on mine. Clear tape is okay. So how do you put the tape? Just put it like this at the bottom, see? Put your tape at the bottom like that. Then what are you going to do? You're going to fold this flower. You see how it opens right now? It's opening. So nice, isn't it, guys? See, this is your flower, and I'm going to show you. Okay, your flower is made already. So there you have your flower. So for the leaves and the branches, I'll use green. You can use this hard green paper. This is the one I use, but you're going to use this green, okay? For the trunk of your tree, you're going to use brown, okay? So here we are. Let's make some leaves. So leaves, you make them like this. Okay, just cut like this and go like that. Okay, cut, go like this in an angle and make your leaves. See, that's a leaf. Okay, I'll show you better. So here is are your leaves. Okay, just go cut it this way, guys. Look, cut this way, go like that. See, and go around, and that's a leaf. Yeah, nobody can tell you that that's not a leaf. You can also do it, fold it like that, and go like that, and make your leaf like this too. Like it. And there's another leaf. You make a whole bunch of leaves. Take it, and leaves, and more leaves, and leaves, and more leaves. See, you make them this way. There are the leaves in here. Perfect. One more leaf. Okay, branches. The branches, what we're going to do, we're going to use green paper to make the branches. Okay, kids? See those little pieces here? I'm going to cut these and use those for the branches. Okay, then you cut them like that in an angle and you make your branches for the tree, kids. See, branches for your tree. Oh, branches for your tree. It doesn't have to be too fancy. You just make little pieces of green, right, kids? Then guess what? And remember, I told you, so we have our leaves and we have the trunks here. Let's put them here. For the trunk, we need brown. For the tree trunk. For the tree trunk. You can draw your trunk. You can just go like this. See? And go like this. And cut. See, I made a line like this and another line like that. And I just gonna cut it. See? And cut it here too. See? And there is my tree. That's a tree, guys. Now to make the roots of my tree, I am going to cut like this, okay? And then you take one out. Go in, cut one out. So you can leave the roots. You see, guys? Cut in an angle like this, and then cut like that. Cut in an angle and cut in. See? That's awesome, isn't it, guys? Look at this. See? And there we have the trunk of our tree. So you cut those pieces. There you have it. The roots of your tree. Now, what we are going to do is we are going to use our little paintbrush. This is glue, okay? Liquid glue. See, my glue is getting dry, so what you can do to fix your glue, this is the kind of glue you use, kiddos, okay? Liquid glue. You can put some water. Look at this. The spray. Tiny spray bottle. Who likes spray bottle? Me. Okay, and then look, you just mix your glue with water and a gas. It was getting dry. It's better now. So you put some water, ready to go. Now what you're going to do is you're going to glue your tree, okay, kids? Put some glue in that tree. Put some glue in there. Put some glue on that. There's some glue on our tree, kiddos. Don't put glue all the way to the bottom because you want the roots to be hanging out like real roots of a tree, right kiddos? So then you're going to put your tree in this side. See? And when you put the tree, get those roots going up, right? Look at that. Perfect. Look at my roots. Oh, so cool. Now, I am going to glue my branches. But just glue one end, okay kids? Just glue one end, okay kids? See? One end only. So the branches stay hanging like real branches, okay kids? There we go. So cool. Put more glue in this end. See? Put glue everywhere. Look. And one end. Now I'm going to put this one in a way that it's going to cross over that one. Look at this tiny one. Glue. So this one is going to come over here. More glue, more branches, bunch of branches. Okay, because we need lots of branches from this tree, right kids? And then we make those branches like this. So they go 3D branches. So cool. Now let's get some leaves. Leaves, only glue the end. Right kids? One end. And get those leaves hanging in here on the branches. More leaves. Only one end kiddos. Remember, don't glue the whole leaf. Right kids? Look at that. Ooh. One more leaf. Okay, there. Just glue it there. Ooh, nice. Another leaf. Let's put it here. And here. Look at that. Perfect. More leaves. Just get green paper. It doesn't matter. It doesn't have to be perfect shape. Remember guys, it doesn't have to be perfect. If it looks good to you, it's perfect. Okay, kids? If it looks good to you, it is perfect. We don't need to try to get things better than anything. There. Couple more leaves. Our tree is almost done, kids. Now the tree is done. Guess what? We are going to use some red paper too to make a couple. Let's make fruits on this tree, okay? We are going to make apples, guys. So to make your apple, just go around and around and around like this and make your apples. So I'll show you how we're going to make some apples here. So you go like this and go around. See? There's my apple. There's an apple. You go like this and go around. Make another apple. See? You go around. Apple. And more apples. You can give it a heart shape if you want to those apples, kids. Look, and then I'm gonna glue a little bit of this apple here, just a little bit, and I'm gonna glue it right here. And this other apple, let's give it a little like a heart shape, right kids? There we go, like a little heart, see? Perfect. So glue. And this tree is full of fruits already. Wow. Cool. Give it the shape of a heart. Just wait, kiddos. This one didn't turn out good. So let's make it as a heart. There. Oh, nice. Look at that. Well, I am going to put some glue on this one too. Let's put it over here. Another apple. Some more apples here. You can make it completely round too, kids. Remember, it doesn't have to be perfect. This is a tiny apple. Remember, the tree always have tiny apples. So this is a tiny apple. So there we go. More apples. There we go. Now we are going to use our marker. And this is a tree. We're going to mark the parts of a tree. The parts of a tree, this one are the leaves. Leaves. Like it? These guys here are the branches. This one here, okay? But let's mark this one, branches. Branches. B-R-A-N-C-H-E-S. Branches. This one is the trunk. This one is the trunk of a tree. The trunk of my tree. And this is, everybody knows this, the root. R-O-O-T-S. Root. Happy roots, because roots are happy because they're giving fruit to the tree. There we go. Our tree is done. Let's make the plant now. The plant. For our plant, we are going to need a green piece like this. Okay, kiddos? Let's cut it this big. So here we are. Oh, let's use this one. Here we are. Now we are going to put some glue in here, like it, and we're going to put glue. You have to glue this whole green stuff, okay, kids? Now we're going to glue it right down here. There we go. Oh, it's a little twisted. It's not straight. Okay, I know it doesn't have to be perfect, but okay. And we're going to make two big leaves, okay, kids? So to make your two big leaves, you're going to do this, right? And there is one leaf. And we are going to make another one. Let's make another one. Big leaves. Okay, kids? Then we cut like this and go kind of around it. And done. Look, another leaf. So guess what? We're going to put some glue on one end of our leaf. Okay, kids? There. Another little bit of glue in this end, kids. Okay, see? And we're going to put our, oh, we need to, oh, I got broken. Why? My leaf. There we go. There we go. My leaf is so pretty, kids. See? No. The flower, kids. Now to make this flower work, I have to push it down. So push it down with your hands. You see how pretty it is now, kids? So pretty. So you push it down a little bit with your hands push it down a little bit, and look how pretty it is. Isn't that a pretty flower, kids? Then I put this tape to hold it. Now I am going to cut this tape, all the tape from the bottom, and I am going to put some glue now. Okay, kids? Put glue there to hold it together, okay, kids? Put a bunch of glue there. See, put a bunch of glue here. Okay, then I put all my glue, and I am going to put my flower. Oh my goodness, this is so pretty, guys. This is so pretty. Look at your flower. So pretty. So beautiful. Beautiful flower. Now, let's make the root of our tree. We are going to cut a whole bunch of pieces like this, and cut them like this, and cut like this, and like this. Cuts like this, a whole bunch of tiny pieces. Then when we cut them all together like that, we need to get rid of some of them so we can see the roots, okay, kids? So we're gonna keep on cutting here, and see, there we go. Then we are going to make it in a way that it'll fit in here, okay, kids? Make it like this. Then we put it over here. Put some glue at the end. See, my roots are done. Look how pretty they are. Done the roots here, and put it down here. Look at this. And the roots are there. My flower is done. Now we're going to label the part of my plant, okay? My plants have a flower. 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 It has leaves. Leaves, leaves, because they have two leaves. This part over here, guys, is the stem. And this part, we know this one from here, the root. Right, kiddos? And I will talk to you guys later. Look at your 3D plant, so pretty. Take care, kiddos. Bye.